Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you already know what to do. If you're an OG, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Yes, I have filmed a lot of videos right now in a row. Yes, that's why I'm wearing the same clothes, but that doesn't matter. The most important thing is I'm giving you the content that you're here to see, right? Not regardless. So here, of course, phrases, we can't overemphasize it, because when you learn phrases, you learn how to make sentences in Igbo language, right? And without further ado, let's just go straight to the point, okay? Ina anwa. Somebody tells you, Ina anwa. Someone tells you, Ina anwa in Igbo. It means you're trying. You are trying. I'm seeing your performance. I'm seeing how your hard work. I'm seeing what you're doing. Like, you can tell me Ina anwa because I'm always putting a video here every day. It's not easy. So you can tell me Ina anwa in the comment section. Ina anwa. You are trying. Inawa, you are trying. Somebody says makagene. Makagene, because of what? Because of what? Most times we use this when someone has done the undoable. In a situation where you're supposed to be apologized to, you're apologizing to someone else. A person will ask you, makagene, are you okay in the head? Why are you the one apologizing instead of the other person to apologize? Say makagene. Makagene. Do you understand? That's what it means basically. Ejimiya. Ejimia, I'm with it. You're looking for something like Ejimia, I'm with it. Ejimia, I'm with it. Don't look for any more. I am with it. Yes. Iga akwo owo. Iga akwo owo. We went together to where they're selling something, right? To an eatery, and with other things together. And I'm asking you, Iga akwo owo, are you going to pay? Iga akwo owo, are you going to pay, or should I pay? Are we sharing the payment? But first, I ask you, Iga akwo owo, are you going to pay? Okay. And next one here is Iji Owo. You are owing. Iji Owo, you are owing. When you borrowed money from someone and you've not paid yet, it means Iji the person Owo. You are owing the person. Iji Owo, you are owing. Basically, that's what it means. Okay. Kanyi noro eba. Let us stay here. This is fine. This environment is better. Let us stay here. I love here more. Let us stay here. Kanyi noro eba. Kanyi noro eba. Let us stay here. Nyem ego ijim. Give me the money you are owing me. Nyem ego ijim. You took money from me for a very long time. You've not returned this. Please give me the money you are owing me. Nyem ego ijim. Nyem ego ijim. Nyem ego ijim. Give me the money you are owing me. Okay? Okay. Give me the money you are owing me. Wete ego gi. Bring your money. Wete ego gi. Bring your money. Weta egogi, bring your money, okay? Weta egogi, weta egom, weta egom, bring my money. Weta egom, bring my money. Weta egom, bring my money. Another one here is Ike adim ipueba. Ike adim ipueba. I don't have strength to live here. I'm tired. I can't even go out. Your friend wants you to go out. Your friend is like, dress up, let's go for club. You're like, Ike adim ipueba. I don't want to live here. I don't want to go out. Do you understand? Ike adim ipueba. And we also have Inwerego na bage. Do you have money in your bag? Inwerego na bage. Do you have money in your bag? Inwerego na bage. Do you have money in your bag? And we also have Kedu ihe anyị ga agwa ya. Kedu ihe anyị ga agwa ya. What are we going to tell her? What are we going to tell him? What are we going to tell them? What are we going to tell her or him? Kedu ihe anyị ga agwa ya. How are we going to explain ourselves? Kedu ihe anyị ga agwa ya. Guys, repeat as I'm saying. That will help you a lot, okay? And we also have ha abịaghị na oge. Ha abịaghị n'oge. They didn't come on time. Ha abịaghị n'oge. You're expecting some visitors, and you've cooked and the food is getting cold, and you've served it on the dining table already. Someone is asking you about them. You're like, they didn't come early. Ha bịaghị na oge. Ha bịaghị na oge. Ha bịaghị na oge. Ha bịaghị na oge. They didn't come in time. Okay? Ngwanu. Ngwanu is I have had. Okay, it's fine. Ngwanu. Ngwanu can also mean you meet somebody and you guys have finished exchanging pleasantries on the road, and you're about to go. You're like Ngwanu. Ngwanu means kodi. Okay. Aya now. We have seen. Okay, later. Ngwanu. Ngwanu. I also have Ona abogojumanya. Ona abogojumanya. I don't understand. It's not clear to me. It's confusing. Ona agbagoju anya. It's confusing. I'm not used to that. I don't understand it. It's confusing. Ona agbagoju anya. Ona agbagoju anya. Ona agbagoju anya. Ona agbagoju anya. Do you understand? I will also have oturum nanya. Oturum nanya. Oturum nanya means I'm surprised. I was surprised. I was flabbergasted. Oturum nanya. I didn't expect it. You know, someone you least expected to do something for you. Oturum nanya. I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting it. The person you're even expecting to do something for you did not do it for you. It's the person that you're not expecting to do something that did something for you. Do you understand? Oturum nanya. I couldn't comprehend it. I couldn't believe that he or she was the person that did that. I was thinking it was the other person instead. Oturum nanya. Oturum nanya. No? Oturum nanya can also mean you're very, very satisfied at what somebody did. Oturum nanya. You're surprised. You're satisfied. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed yet, please guys do so. Like this video as well, because when you like it, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people and your girl is going to be happy. On this video, I post video every day by the grace of God. I post video here every day, and my channel is all about learning Igbo language and bringing in vlogs from time to time. Hope you're enjoying my vlogs. Hope you're enjoying my video. If you have any suggestions, guys, please put it down in the comment section. What you think we want to do to improve this channel, what do you think I have to offer to you, what you are finding difficult in Igbo language, what are you finding, what is making it Igbo language difficult for you to learn. I can help you. I can help you in particular. I can do a whole video that can be directed to you, and also other people who watch and learn from it. Thank you guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please guys, watch my videos, share my videos. Watch my video, share it. It does nothing to share this video. Please share it in any platform. Facebook, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Instagram, you can share it on Twitter, anywhere that you think I'm gonna get traffic from. And thank you for watching, guys. I don't know if you watch to this point. I don't know, my views keeps going down. YouTube is taking out my views, and I've asked, some people said it's because people click in and click out. Guys, you don't need to click in and click out, please. If you want to watch the video, if you've already seen my thumbnail, if you know something you want to watch, why are you clicking in? If you have clicked in, please watch at least 2 minutes before clicking out. That will help my video. Please, Edjo. Because all my stripes, that one you clicked in and clicked out has taken everything out. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.